The sweat just runs down their face. Yeah. Be advised, number 5 is coming around a little landing platform. This will be our final run. After that, we're going to spin it around and drop the car. Yeah, well, all the old that's a constant battle with the leaks.
It's amazing how you just
Oh yeah. It leaked like a sieve in those days. Yeah, eventually you get all the bugs worked out. It just takes a little while.
And then you have to start it over.
Well, it never stops. Just non-stop maintenance.
Seals and fittings.
Yeah, packing and valves and you name it. What's that?
That real fast vibration.
I'm not sure what you're looking at.
The real fast vibration on the top there.
Oh, on the rod, on the stand here? That's just sloppiness in the bolt. Yeah. Sometimes when you're running it, it does this tick, tick, tick. They all do that. Pretty amazing when I sat in that seat. Yeah. But you run it. I ran it. Yeah, I remember. There's nobody here. I remember. Bob was standing right next to me. How's your little dog? He was here. Yeah, how is he now? Oh, he's fine. Oh, good. I couldn't fire. He was scared last time. Yeah. Plus, it was so buggy. Oh, no, he didn't. He dropped it. Did it? Yeah, it was like an hour ago. Oh, that was smart. Yeah. Wait, even in here.
That cooler's gonna get hit! Well,
Too late now.